Imagine, if you will, Mars and Venus, two celestial neighbors in our solar system, colliding. What would be the consequences of such a colossal event? The first thing that would happen is a massive energy release. The kinetic impact and gravitational forces of the collision would unleash an astronomical amount of energy, resulting in cataclysmic effects on both planets. Next, there would be changes in orbits. The gravitational pull exerted during the crash would alter the orbits of both Mars and Venus. This could potentially disrupt the stability of the entire solar system, even affecting the trajectories of other nearby celestial bodies. The collision would also lead to atmospheric disruption. Venus, with its thick atmosphere, and Mars, with its thin one, would both experience significant disturbances. This would result in the release of gases and particles into the great expanse of space. Furthermore, magnetic field effects would come into play. Considering Venus lacks a global magnetic field and Mars only has a weak one, the collision could drastically alter the magnetic properties of the resulting celestial body. This could impact space weather and interactions with solar winds. Closer to home, there would be an impact on Earth. The rearrangement of planetary positions could influence Earth's orbit and stability within the solar system. This could potentially lead to changes in our climate and environmental conditions. In the aftermath of the collision, debris formation would be inevitable. A vast amount of debris would be generated, creating a field of particles and rocks in space. Some of this debris might intersect with Earth's orbit, posing a potential hazard to our satellites and spacecraft. Interestingly, there could be the potential for new celestial bodies. The collision might lead to the formation of a new celestial body or a planetary ring system composed of ejected materials. This could create a unique and fascinating astronomical feature in our solar system. Over a long period, there would be a phase of long-term evolution. The remnants of Mars and Venus could merge into a new planetary entity with a distinct composition and structure after a period of intense geological and atmospheric changes. Lastly, despite the catastrophic nature of the event, there would be scientific insights to be gained. Observations and studies of the aftermath would deepen our understanding of the processes shaping planetary systems. In conclusion, a collision between Mars and Venus would be an astronomical event of epic proportions, with far-reaching implications for our solar system. The interconnectedness of celestial bodies and the delicate balance that governs their behavior in our cosmic neighborhood would be starkly highlighted. But rest assured, the vastness of space makes such collisions extremely unlikely in the foreseeable future.